Thank you very much, dear colleague. Mr. Picula, you have the floor.
Thank you, Mr. President. As the global order is under serious pressure, relations with our key ally are becoming one of the most important challenges we must address. It's clear that President Trump is using tariffs as a tool for blackmail. We must be prepared to respond to them equally. If he backs off, we can de-escalate respecting our trade and digital services laws. It's not just about trade in goods. When we add the exchange of services to the overall trade relationship, we almost reach an equilibrium. While politics on the other side of the Atlantic is currently arbitrary and transactional, the European Union must be a factor of global stability and conducts politics clearly and based on facts. Moreover, this situation is an opportunity for the EU to take political responsibility, attract experts who share our values, and assume the global role because it has the democratic strength and economic capacity. Thank you.
Thank you very much.